Alright, I think it's about time that I did an update on the shipping container project. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but I've been busy with other things. So here's how we're currently looking. Quite pleased with the progress. I mean, it's been slow over the last year or two because I've been busy doing other things. As you can see, I've got the end door covered up like that, and it still opens fine. I'll show you that in a second. Got some LED strip lighting up at the top. You can see the individual LEDs there. Everything's running on 24 volts. This is just a temporary battery bank. These are recycled ones from a standby system for some big company. So I got those very, very cheap because they're at the end of their service life. But I've got them temporarily just set up with some lights. It's very nice with some lights in here. It makes it a lot easier to work, and it gives it a much nicer feel rather than being all dark and horrible. I'll show you down this end and turn around as well. I'll show you the door first. So I haven't filled in these gaps yet because I haven't quite worked out what to do just yet. But this door still functions as normal. What I did is I welded some brackets onto the actual door itself, and then all this wood and the insulation is mounted onto the door, so when you open the door the cladding goes with it. I'll possibly show you that in a second, just so you can see what I've done there. If I turn around for you. I've just got a temporary fan up there to suck a bit of air in for the ventilation. I'll put a proper vent in. I think I'm probably going to put another vent in, probably on this door, because it's not going to get used. And it's a nice flat surface, it's not corrugated in and out like the outside. Probably somewhere around here, or there's another bit up higher. And then I can do a heat recovery system eventually, using some of this ducting down here. This is all spare insulation, so I've got plenty of that I can stuff in places I find. It's a bit of a mess in here, obviously. It's still a bit of a building site, but it's getting there. It's looking good. I'm really happy with how far we've got so far. As you can see, the end side is finished as well. It's looking very cool. It's nice to see it all sort of getting there. I just need to start putting the trim in. You can't see because I've got the lights on. Let me find that bit in the corner. You can see up in the corner here I've got this quarter rounded piece, so that's what's going to be filling these gaps. And over in the corner in here it's these pieces here, and they do have a gap behind them, so I can run some, it's hard to get a profile of that, so I can run cable in behind it if I need to, which might be quite useful. There's the other vent up there, still need to sort that out and seal it properly. But there we go. I'll show you this end door. I'll just cut and move over there. Alright, so you can see I've got the door open now. It's quite difficult to show you how I've done this. I'll just kind of dip over the top so you can kind of see where I've welded. If you have a look, where are we? Here. You can see, hopefully, you'll see the bolt that's gone through this piece of wood here. That piece of wood there is just making a frame all the way around in a big square or rectangle. And maybe you can see in there, maybe you can't. Let's have a look. We've got a piece of metal in there that's welded on one of the shelves of the door. So you see the doors got these like lips like this. There's another one here. I've just welded it flat across and then bolted through to hold the wood in. And then when you open the door, all of it opens with the insulation and everything in one nice opening. This won't be getting opened very often, so I'm probably going to pack that top bit with insulation as well, and when the door opens it will fall out, but I can put it back in or staple it in or something. But it's very convenient, and means I can get bigger things in and out of the container with ease. I'll show you the bolts. So what I had to do, I think I showed this a while ago, is drill that hole through this beam on the bottom. In hindsight I probably would have just welded a little metal plate on there that's quite thick for the bolt to go behind. It's not a big issue, but I think something I might do next time. And there's the bolt. It's just like a spring chute bolt, so when it closes it just goes down into the hole and then closes the door. Nice and simple. So yeah, just a quick update as usual for you there. So really, next up I need to finish these trims in the corners, and for this end door work out what I'm doing to make it seal nicely. I'm thinking on the bolts, what I might do is weld sort of an extension onto the right angle handle, so it'll stick through the wall, and then I can just have a really small hole and lift it up and put it down and put it on its little catch. I haven't even opened up the top one yet, so you can get to it. And then I think maybe I'll just fill this gap with some sort of, I don't know, strip wood or trim or something. Just have it overlap to there, and then the door can still open away, open outwards. And same thing at the top. but we'll have to see. Beyond that, more electrical stuff. I might get a light switch put in today, that would make it more convenient, and it's something I'm going to need eventually anyway. So I'll try and get you some more updates so you can see how things are going on. Hopefully make a bit more progress. Alright, thanks for sticking with me and still watching the videos. If you'd like to see more of these, if you just subscribe to my channel, it'll let you know when I upload a new one so you don't miss anything. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.